Let us study De Morgan's theorem. There are two De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems plays an important role while simplifying Boolean expressions. The first theorem says that a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. That is, the complement of sum is equal to the product of complements. Here we are using two variables. Let us prove this. We are using two variables a and b. The possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. First we'll perform a plus b, because on LHS I have a plus b whole bar. We'll try to implement LHS first. First we'll perform the operation a plus b. A plus b is nothing but OR function or OR gate operation. That is 0 plus 0 is 0, 1, 1, 1. Let us find a plus b whole bar. A plus b whole bar is complement of a plus b, that is 1 0 0 0. So this column gives LHS. Now look at RHS. We have a bar and b bar. Let us find a bar. A bar is complement of a, that is 1 1 0 0. Now find b bar. B bar is complement of b, that is 1 0 1 0. Let us perform the RHS expression together, that is a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar is nothing but ANDing operation between a bar and b bar. 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, it's AND operation. 0 dot 1 is 0, 0 0 is 0. So this is the operation of De Morgan's theorem. Here we can observe this is equal to this column. Therefore, De Morgan's theorem is proved. De Morgan's theorem, that is a dot b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Let's prove this. We have two variables a and b. Possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. On LHS side, I need a dot b whole bar. First perform a dot b. A dot b is nothing but ANDing operation between a and b. 0 0 0 1. A dot b whole bar is nothing but complement of a dot b column, that is 1 1 1 0. On RHS we have terms a bar and b bar. First we'll implement a bar. A bar column is complement of a, that is 1 1 0 0. B bar is complement of b, that is 1 0 1 0. Now we'll perform a bar plus b bar. Adding these two columns, that is 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now comparing these two columns, theorem is proved.